Well, morning guys, it's Patrick here, PCTV. We're at the Cambra feel-good neighborhood show, whatever you want to call it. But we've got some great stuff. Look at this trike just to start things off. I think it's a Triumph motor. Is it a Royal Enfield? Yeah, Royal Enfield. Wow. Now that's an ATC on steroids, baby. Gunner's here. Get a look around here. Nice 65 Rudy back over there. Love this truck. It's one of the best. Yeah, just cruising around, checking it out. I remember when he first started on this thing, man. It was just, he was walking around and trying to figure out how to get this thing done, and man, it's really come a long way. How rough it was when he first started, and look what he's done to this thing, man. You've seen it in primer, bare bones, orange juiced, captain seats. Really has come a long way. What's happening?
What is happening?
Man, the van looks just amazing.
Well,
I'm thinking about three, four years ago where you were with this.
Yeah.
You know,
3 or 4 years ago it was a basket case.
You know, and you were just like, yep, I got a vision and I got this. I'm like, and you know what? When you go with your vision, it works, huh?
It seems to.
Dude, you hit a home run here.
I appreciate it.
You really did.
Thanks
I
a lot.
haven't seen you at the club in quite a long time, but man, look at this. The mural is just amazing. Who did the mural for you?
It's a guy by the name of Byron Lawrence.
Yeah?
His business is called Byronic Art. He specializes in a lot of hockey helmets and
Really?
motorcycle stuff, yeah. But, you know, he did amazing work on it.
He knocked it out of the park there, man.
And both of them, you know,
Yeah.
they're both different too.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Oh, let's take a look. Thank you for pointing that out. Look at that. Oh, it's photographed.
It looks like it, huh?
Yeah,
Good
it's
work.
absolutely, and your paint work is just, I mean, dude, you've gone all the way with this thing.
Well, you got to thank the Cambra shop for the paint and body.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
It was in this shop here for almost 6 months.
well, if you're going to go with the best, you might as well go with the best.
That's what. Yeah, that's true.
You know, I know they're the best. So
Yeah.
What's
And
nice is they're like family now too.
they're the nicest people. You know, Ron and I've been friends for 25 years.
Really?
Yeah, about 25
Yeah,
years now.
they're great people.
Yeah, they really are. And Lori's just great. And you know, Adam, I've known him since he was
Really?
7.
Oh jeez.
That was great. Greg and Deborah, excuse me. The van is just amazing. And man, he's really taking it to the next level. Mike White!
Hey,
What's happening, brother?
how you doing?
Good. Just walking around, talking with some real nice folks, and working my way back over. I need
A lot of cars.
A lot of cars. Yeah, this is a big event now. I remember when it first started, it was the parking lot and a little bit down the street. Yeah, this is great. Look at this. Lucille's here. 51 Merc. Beautiful chop. It's another Cambra car. And like I said, Gunner's here. Gunner's one of my favorites. Beautiful. There we go. LS1, 67. It's an LSA, it's 256. Sweetheart. Looking like a 55, maybe a little earlier. Look at this Eagle hood here. Nice double nickel wagon. All right, this has been around since I was 17 years old. This has been running around Costa Mesa. It's on a Jeep CJ chassis frame. I never knew the owner. I've been watching this thing roll around since I was a little kid, and it's still alive. It doesn't get driven on the street anymore. It's trailered now. But he used to drive this thing all over Costa Mesa. And again, this is from my high school days. It's always fun to see it. But yeah, try hitting this pinto in the rear. It ain't blowing up. That's for sure. Some of these cars here are Cambra built. Look at this Oldsmobile here. 2-door, beautiful. Right next to it, 56. Huge project, looking like Cambra did a bunch of work on this one too. Oh, I know this van. This thing's gorgeous. Look at this interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Wood in there. Just done beautiful. Great two-tones, parallel. I love the green tones. 350 small block. Double nickel.
What do you think of that?
Gotta love a 65 Ribby. 455 nail head. Ultra clean. And it's yellow.
It's just getting underneath the car.
Oh, look at this thing, man. Beautiful. All right. 65 Ford Falcon. 351 Windsor. Fabricated valve covers. Full flame job. That's 65 for music, but nice car. Nice 33.3 window right here. Looking like 56. 355. Craig's man again. Oh, there they are again. Hey, long time no see. Nice tradesman here. Is it a 100? Yeah, tradesman 100. You know, Cambra's big into the vans. He's really supported the van movement and really helped to bring it back in a lot of ways. But yeah, this takes me back. Just so comfortable and nice in these, you know. You just hang out. Sweet. Econoline, I'm gonna go with a 73. Nope, 74. 74. Look at this, Trader Sam's. It's a sweetheart.
Thank you.
No, I like it, man. Look at that. You got the neck snappers in here. An E100, baby. We got live music coming up. Oh, he's got his Mystery Machine cooler. Yeah. I'll keep on trucking. Got his lamps, all his tiki. Wow, this is sweet. Donzo Quick Time. Right next to it, Michael Moore's 23T. Oh, where Big Don's at.
Walking around someplace out there.
This thing's a monster. He's got so much iron that he's got to have this motor just to carry the freaking trophies around. Man, loving it. Donzo Quick Time. Here you go. Here's a big wheel cruiser. Wow. Look at this, man. 409.59. Oh, it's a 348. My bad. 348. Is this sanitary or what? Interior, sweet. Gorgeous interior. Wow. It's got cup holders in it though.
Yeah, lately
These things off the hook.
beautiful.
Injection. Futurematic. Holy moly. Now, we took a look at this earlier here. It's probably the baddest ass 67 Galaxy 500 you're ever going to see. Trophy winner, best in show ever, pretty much it goes. Insane detail under the hood. This Coyote motor's out of control.
What about the
Just the best. This Cambra, LSX 454. True induction on the hood. It's really a cool set of pickup stuff. These are functioning hood louvers. He's pulling air straight through into this Cambra style of filter, air conditioning. Really crazy. Look at this now. I love a pure red interior. I love Willie's car, don't get me wrong, but this interior is absolute perfection in here. What a sweetheart. We'll go around the back here. What's he got here? Billet Specialties. First Billet Specialties steering wheel to match. So it's nice. Wow. Incredible. Look at this. Beautiful. 55. All right, so yeah, we got a lot more to look at here. Oh, there's that. There it is. This car is special. This is a hand-built. I've shot this car a couple times. I just love it. This is named after his father. This is Marcel's, fully handmade aluminum special. Very sweet.
Oh yeah, it was huge. No, I don't have room for that.
Hey, what's going on?
Patrick,
PC in the house.
what'd you get? What's all this?
Oh, this is catering. Man, look at this high topper, man. I think he's almost got the height here to be legal for California. Ice cream truck, but look at this crane set up here. This is something you don't see every day.
Yeah.
VW crane truck. What is this?
It's the 1960s, 70s guys.
Meyer Hagen.
Money and want to buy their nostalgia,
Emergency
whatever
truck,
that.
emergency vehicle.
And they got the money, and it's like, I don't give a right. For me, I wasn't one. I like yeah.
Wow. Crazy. Emergency vehicle. Look at this. Hand crank. Crane. American flag. America. Ice cream truck back here. Wow. Got some great Volkswagens representing out here. Wonder when this was built. Look at how ancient this thing, and you know it's been built like this for years. It's got stabilizers on it. It's a Meyer Hagen. And it's all hand crank. You got your angle there. It's a special piece here. So these are going to be firing up later. Have fun with that. We got Willie's right here. He's set up, ready to go. Gigab's there. Lori's truck looking great. And we got Sophie's dragster right here. 7.95. Wow, that's cool though, dude. Good deal. Wow.
This one stopped working. This one I gotta fix it.
That's my, there you go. Look at that.
Yeah. This one again? Which one?
Crazy. That's awesome.
That's where I knew. I knew
I knew this guy.
Oh, it's the same car? That's the same buddy of mine built. Oh, wow.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, Robert's around here somewhere.
That's an interesting.
make hot dogs?
You want to stand over here and take a picture when they fire it?
Old school. Darn it, my camera keeps going off on me. Yeah, this is beautiful. 302.
Thanks.
How long you had it for?
I've had this truck since '09. I started this version of it May of 21, finished in September of 23.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Wow, that's beautiful. Thank you. So let me secure it one more time. I don't know if I got it on camera. Look at this, Mustang style. I don't know if that's Fairlane or Mustang.
Console.
It looks like a Fairlane console almost.
What's the console?
Is it a Falcon?
No, two of them welded together.
Oh, nice. What did it come out of? Oh, okay, 63 Falcon consoles. Okay. 66. GT100. Very nice. Just some of the great stuff you see here.
I think that's a model.
Sounds like the Bengals.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a model.
Monday. I wish it was Sunday. That's my one day. Guys, this is Lucille. Robert and I are just talking about it right now. Go ahead.
Metal trim around the windshield instead of rubber trim.
Yep.
How did that get installed? And that all had to be custom made. And
Look at this thing, man. This is just the laydown. This is what Cambra builds. I mean, just out of control.
white on white with gold stitch interior.
Look at this.
And that steering wheel is
Air control.
a little push button trans on the console.
Isn't that sick? I wonder if it's factory. Oh, and I think those are probably his door poppers right there. He's out of control. Look at that laydown.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that Cambra builds. Like I said, it's beautiful. There's just perfection here. Look at the fill.
pop-out rear
Look at the
windows.
fill on the rails.
Yeah.
I mean, and oh, they're pop outs. No
Yeah.
way. Wow. Wow. Love to see under the hood. So this is Lucille, you guys. And Ron is on drums right now. Yeah, let's take a walk in the shop. We were in earlier. Custom d'Elegance. Enjoy the air conditioning. Yeah, here's Roxanne. Part of the trophy room here. Oh yeah, just getting into the walk around in here. Let's take a look. Ooh, tunnel line. Oh, we got music in here. Oh well. Yeah, it's a Lori's truck right here. That's Lori's? No, it's a twin though. No, Lori's, they redid it. It's all redone and painted. I love the fact that, dude, look at the new rollers they have. The work rollers. Those are cool. Yeah. Their shop just goes on and on. Right here. Clovis F100 or Bronco F100.
I do want to push the
Jesus, this is a Boss 600. Talk about a serpentine drive setup. It's like everybody's trying about the serpentine drive setup on the alleged petty car. Yeah. You never have something like that in 1969. I go, the car's not even a 1969 car anymore. Oh my God, look at the top trouble. Crazy. Oh, there's Patricia. Yeah, I love the work here. It's great. Great idea. Yep, so this is how they start here at Cambra, and this is what they look like when they're finished. They're out of control. We have over here. Very nice. Got my memory clear. We get a look at that. 70 or 69, what do you think? Cantilever. I think it's 69.
Yeah.
Dude, look at the tubbing. on this
Judging by
stuff.
that fender scoop, I think it's 69.
That's what I'm thinking too. This is the kind of work they're doing inside here. And you've seen some of the finished cars that we've already seen outside, like Lucille, Craig and Deborah's van. Just out of control, man. 600 Boss. And now we're all by ourselves in here. This place was packed just a couple minutes ago, but I had to delete some of my memory. Yeah, 69. What a car. Wow. Camera speed show. It's amazing what happens when you clear your memory. Wow. Look at this Cheyenne. Let's go check out Ron and the band.
I had to push this thing on the ice into my ice chest.
That's what I heard. Yeah, I had to grab the other one. Unlucky so far.
About to overheat.
Yeah, baby. Got Big Tammy. I haven't walked the back parking lot over here yet. Hello. I'm walking right through your cameras out there. Willie over here. Take a look at the back lawn here. There's Tony's car. Horse poles. 67 Camaro. Maybe a 40. Great stuff. Cadillac 56. This is all the Mercifuls here. Gorgeous. Willie's here. There we go. Willie's Auto Service. My brother, 1968 Camaro. Beautiful oxblood. Look at this interior. That's just awesome. Oh, we got Hot Wheel racers over there too. There's Jacob. What's up, Jacob? You're in the sun. What are you doing in the sun?
Well, this is tan on.
Right? You getting his tan on? All right. Looking good, you guys. Looking good.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Delson Blue 76.
Good spray wax.
Is it?
100% carnelian water.
Really? That's interesting.
Make it look just like that.
Good stuff. Very good. Liking it. Very good. All right. Walking back. Oh, I'm seeing a Torino. Looks like a... Is it a Cobra jet? Oh, it is a Cobra. Oh. We got to look at this. Dude, how often do you see one of these? First equipped, a real Torino Cobra. I just shot that Richard Petty tribute car. This is the street version right here, baby. This is 71. Cobra Jet 429. Yeah, I know this guy.
Hey, how are you?
How you doing, man? God, your car's insane. It really is. Look at this. Beautiful Providence.
One by the Marty's
One of one. That's the goosebumps.
These options.
Yeah, that's
One of four, just the powertrain and color.
wow. So basically a unicorn.
Basically, not to see another one.
Yeah, I spotted it. I went, oh crap.
Well, the motor looks really original.
Yeah.
That's actually been bored and stroked to 533 now.
Really? So you got a 533.
Yeah.
What do you turn through wheels?
I don't know yet.
Haven't ran it yet.
I only had the car for 4 months, and I haven't.
That's
had
what I was thinking. I never seen you in the car before.
No, and I have to get on a dyno somewhere and see what it's pushing because the engine builder didn't write it down. He
Yeah.
built it a couple of years ago. It's only gone a couple thousand miles.
Gotcha.
But he didn't have that info, so it's got to be between 5 and 6, I would guess.
Oh yeah, where'd the car come from?
It was in St. Louis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's exceptional, man. It's really beautiful. Now, how original is it?
It's all numbers matching. It's all factory options. It's been repainted. The car's
Okay,
been
yeah,
restored.
you gotta expect it to be
Yeah,
painted.
I mean,
yeah.
the undersides were all it's had some new suspension stuff.
Chrome looks original.
Yep, I think it is all new chrome. You get all new, 3-inch exhaust on it.
Yeah, I saw it out the back.
Suspension's been upgraded, but it's all painted black, so it looks very stock. It's had the frame rails extended because it's a unibody.
Yep.
The frame rails have run back, and it's had the traction bars added. The Comtech, what are they called? Caltech. Split racing springs.
Wow.
I changed the rear. They were sitting really low, like the racing springs sit low.
Yeah.
So you don't have to weight transfer. You just go.
Yep.
But I didn't like it sitting that low, so I changed the rear half and brought it up to that height, which I think looks good.
It's a great stance for the car,
height.
and it looks almost like a little bit more of a Pro Street look to it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that's what I like.
it's really nice.
This is how they came.
Really, really nice.
Even from the factory, look how low it sat in the back.
No kidding.
Yeah, that covers the whole tire, the top part
Yeah.
of the tire. So that's kind of how this was too, and that may be how they first came out. But I just didn't like the ass end on the ground like that. It just didn't look right.
Well, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. But you know what? It's crazy how they did things differently back in the day. But you know, you were probably 100% correct for launching. They were looking for.
Oh yeah,
for
you
launch.
don't want the
Yep.
weight transfer. And the
Yeah.
guy, I talked to the company that makes the springs. You know, they said, yeah, well that's the idea, you know. And he said, but if you want to bring it up, I can sell you the rear half. You can swap it out, and I did. And I swapped out the rear half for a couple $100, and I brought it to there. And
Well, I'll tell you what, bro. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm glad you brought it today. Thank you so much. Vegas. John and his buddy Mike's here. Oh, hey, I just saw him. And now, how does this work? You guys just appear out of nowhere.
We like to walk on the grass.
Yeah, I don't blame you. John's got a 71. Hey guys, there you are. Running
I
around.
saw the Frankenburger down there.
The Frankenfurter? The Frankenburger. Sultans. Mike's here. All right. I gotta get my butt over here, get some ice water. We'll keep walking. That's a rubber machine, huh? Yeah, baby. Yo. Stuff getting ready to come up here. I don't know when they're going to do
It looks like the Toshi's at board free, so his wife's going to do the racing instead. Right on, perfect. For the Chris Pundy. Huh?
No cheating, Osman. Okay, no cheating.
No. No, you can't see with me. Oh, okay. All right, ready? 3, 2. This is Osmar versus Greg. Greg's in the blue coupe. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, Osmar gets a big lead. That coupe's got a good second hand.
Right behind that thing.
letting the nose.
Almost there. All right. We swap lanes. 3, 2, 1. There it is.
Chuck, you guys got to flip to which side you want it.
Where's 2 out of 3?
Right side?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Omar! And he takes it.
Oh, Dominator.
There you are.
Look at that.
Go down there and
Now
grab
you
a
gotta face
car.
tomorrow work. Your ass is grass, buddy.
The garden's all opened up. This is Ron's personal van. He's had this thing for years. Got a vinyl roof on it. He's also got a van shocker. I don't remember it now. But yeah, this is, again, just out of control, man. This is Ron's personal van. Grand National Roadster Show. 150 years of classic haulers. Beautiful. All right. People heading out.
3, 2, 6, 1.